Okay guys, it's like 8 p.m. here in Washington State, and I'm just catching the sunset here over Birch Bay. This is one of my hangouts where I park sometimes because here's the library. This is one of two libraries where I hang out. Here's my van. My RV van that I live in and do the van life. Traveling all over the country, so I'll be heading south to Southern California, and then I'm going to be going across east through Texas and Georgia and to Florida, and then up to North Carolina, and then up to Maine. So hope everyone's happy.